Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to another Decenomy tutorial. Today we will guide you through the steps involved to create a Masternode on ihostmn.com. This guide assumes you have an ihostmn.com account and the coins needed to start a Masternode in your local wallet. We will also be using the Monk wallet for this tutorial, but as always, the process is the same for any Decenomy coin. As soon as you log into ihostmn.com, you will find yourself on the dashboard. You will then need to deposit a small amount via PayPal or cryptocurrency to pay the monthly fees of your Masternode necessary to pay the hosting service offered by ihostmn.com. Click on Fund Account in the left menu to proceed. Once the payment has been made, the funds will be immediately available on your account and visible as highlighted in the top image. We can now click in the left menu on the Masternode hosting link. You will see all the coins available on the website. In our case, we have chosen to run a Monk Masternode. You can search Monk or any other coin using the search bar on the top. Then click on Monk to proceed to the next screen. As we can see, the name of the Masternode, the transaction ID or collateral transaction, and the transaction index are required. Now we can move to our local wallet, where we have the 4,000 coins necessary to create a Masternode. Be sure to not close ihostmn website at this point. Monk requires 4,000 coins to run a Masternode. This value could change over time, and it can be different for our other coins. Make sure to have a little bit more than 4,000 coins to cover the transaction fee cost. To create a Masternode, we need to send exactly 4,000 Monk to ourselves. To do that, we need to click on Receive in the left menu to generate a new address and give it a name, for example, MN1. Click on the Generate a New Address button, then click on Edit Label to assign a name to this address, preferably without blank spaces. In our case, it will be MN1. After that, we copy the address using the Copy button. We need this to send the coins to ourselves. Once done, we need to create the so-called collateral transaction. Click on Send in the left menu. You will see three fields. In the Monk address field, paste the address we just copied in the step before. In the amount field, write exactly 4,000. You will then see the MN1 label filled automatically. We now click on the Send button to send the collateral transaction. We need some minutes for the transaction to be confirmed and reach the required confirmation to be eligible as Masternode collateral, 15 confirmations or about 15 minutes. We can now move to the debug console of our wallet to get the information requested by ihostmn.com. Click in the Settings menu, labeled 1, then Debug, labeled 2, and then Console, labeled 3. In the bottom bar, type Get Masternode Outputs and press Enter. If we did no mistakes, the command will generate an output like the hash in the image as well as the output ID. Now we have all the information we need on ihostmn.com. So we can go back to the website. In the Masternode name field, we will use MN1, our Masternode label. In the transaction ID field, we will use the TX hash, the long string of numbers and letters. In the transaction index field, we will use 1, the output ID X from the command above. Now click on the Deploy green button. You will see a success message and you will be redirected to your dashboard. In your dashboard, click on the MN name link. MN1. Here is the place where you can see the details of your Masternode and some other actions. What we need is the masternode.config configuration line. Click on the Copy masternode.config text file to clipboard button to copy it. We can now go back to our local wallet again. In the top right menu, click on the sheet icon, the fourth from the left, to open the masternode.config file. Move to the last line and paste the configuration line we just copied from the website. Make sure that the configuration string is in one line. Do not break it in 2 or more lines. Save and close the text editor. Now close and restart your wallet. Once restarted, click on the Masternodes button in the left menu. We can now see our MN1. Now click on the 3 small dots on the right and press Start and press OK to confirm. Your node status will change to active or enable. Depending on different factors, your node will start to generate rewards after some hours or days. And that's it. Our Masternode configuration is completed. Thank you again for supporting Decenomy, and as always, feel free to check out lots more tutorials on our YouTube channel.